Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can fix the time in Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, as you can see, my currently time is okay. But if your time is not correct, so what we need to do, simply we have to click on this Windows button and then we have to click on the date and we have to search for the date and time option. You will be able to see the date and time settings here. So we have to click on this date and time settings. And after clicking on that, you have to make sure that this option set time automatically is on. So if you want to make it on or off, you have to also do that, but you have to keep in mind that you have to make it on and you have to make this off. And after that, another thing is that you have to keep in mind and you have to recheck this, that the set time zone automatically should be on. As you can see, if you want to do it manually, you can also do that. You have to choose the time zone manually, but if you want to make it on, we have to make this on. It is better. So, and after that, your time will be corrected. So in this way, you can make your time correct on the Windows 11. And I hope you guys understand this video that how we can do that. So thank you for the watching and see you in the next video.